There's a lot of noise out there in my receiver this evening. Got a lot of noise out there in my receiver. Yours 018 Tennessee Beavis was away.
Down and gone. I didn't get it right.
018. Hey, 018. Mr. Beavis, 747 Texas.
Hello, 747 Texas. How you, man? It's rough and tough out there. It's rough and tough out there, 747, but you're sounding real good up here in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee Beavis, a donkey stomper with the wave.
Hello, Mr. Beavis. Yeah, it's rough and tough out here, man. It's bad. 747, that way.
Howdy, 747. It's good to hear from you, man. Hope you have a happy Pappy's Day weekend, my friend. 747 018 Tennessee Beavis up here at Donkey Stomper, standing by reading the mail.
Alright, there's 018. Hey, man, enjoy the DX. It's slow motion everywhere. 018 747, man. Good hearing you out there, my friend.
Good evening, Tom Billy.
How about 747? 747, 512 Wigan.
500. 2, I heard you in there that time. 512, break up.
Yeah, man, I had my stuff kind of messed up, but I think I got it now. Oh, break.
How about 38 in the black gold, 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Hi, Billy Bob. Have a good one out there. 018, waving a hand to you two out there. Both of you guys blowing smoke on the pile, no doubt. 38, black gold, come in the mail.
All right, 38, I heard you in there, man. It's rough and tough up here in Tennessee, but I've been hearing you in there. I want the kids come pick her down, so happy Pappy's Day to you. 38 in black gold. Catch you later. 018 from Donkey Stomper, waving a hand.
Sheep around Baton Rouge is reasonable.
With that big old donkey stomper, I guarantee you got it going on there, my friend. 38, black gold on this little mobile and the battery, and I'm back out.
Sounding good, 38. Sounding good like you always do it here in Tennessee, man.
You take it easy there, 45. Take it easy.
Heard it, man.
Well, I had a pretty good power supply, burned it up. I had to go this battery, but hey, man, it's going on. 38 back out.
That's the old black sheep waving.
String, with this old tin-can and a string. On down
I'm going to ease these beams down towards the bayou a little bit, see if I can hear anybody. What's going on down there in the swamp land in the bayou? 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Hello. Hey, be old black sheep.
Hello, 018.
Around the bayou, around Louisiana.
018, slow motion, waving, come on.
What's going on, slow motion? Hope you're doing all right, man. Long time no see. You sounded real good up here. Happy Pappy's Day, Mr. Slow Motion. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Right back, my friend. I tell you what, you sounded real good coming down here.
Doing good out here, man. Doing real good. You say you just talked the old slow motion out there. Texas 512. Break.
10-4 slow motion. Well, sure is good to hear you, man. Like I said, I hope everything's well and swell your way. Happy Pappy Day weekend, buddy. There's a bunch in there. I'm going to sit back and see who else is hollering. 018 Tennessee Beavis reading the mail.
410 Roger on that. Hey, 018. You're taking them all out, Beavis. You're taking my receive down here, man. 018, my receive.
Roger, I turned down south 747. I figured I turned off you a little bit, but I might have turned on you some more. I don't know.
Yeah, no, you might have, man. You might have, but you got me way over in the red. Way over in the red. Sound good, man. Sound real good.
Yeah, I got about 747. I got 20 plus on you up here in the 10. Rolling the video gate. We're listening.
Hey, Roger. Yeah, roll that gate, man. I'd like to hear what this thing sounds. 018 747. We'll let you get back after it. Bye-bye.
Roger, slow motion. You sounding good, man. My buddy 747 was in there, too. Slow motion in the bayou. Sounding good, man. Good to hear from you. 018 got you on the video gate. We're listening in.
Where you got that video gate at? Hey, 018. Where?
018. What's the old slow motion? Tell him old black sheep say howdy.
Yeah, nose and break.
Hey, slow motion. I'll post it up on YouTube, on Donkey Stomper YouTube in a minute. But I got 10-5 for you. Hey, slow motion. Black sheep want me to tell you hello. Black sheep sent you a hello. Breaker.
Tell my
Cool there, right here. We go. Now it's what we need to do.
See what? About a 512. 51.
All right, slow motion. Black Sheep, slow motion said hello right back to you, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis up here at Donkey Stomper with a Happy Day Weekend Wave. We're rolling a video gate.
Hey, Mr. 018, appreciate you driving that over, man. Hey, 018 South George in my receipt. You boys said hello, I'm getting down.
Yeah, I got you in there.
Hello, Bayou Boy. Hello, Bayou Boy. Long time no CB. Bayou Boy, 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
47, right.
Yeah, that Beavis long time no talk, man. Shoot, it's been a month of Sundays there going on.
Right, they're already giving.
Roger, Bayou Boy. What's rough and tough in there, man? I appreciate you hollering. Hey, buddy. Hope you have a good Happy Days weekend, Mr. Bayou Boy. Got you on the video gate, 018 reading the mail.
018, oh, Black Sheep coming in. Got all them boys take all that weight off my back. Cause, man, it's been hurting lately. Later on there, Beavis, Bayou Boy, rocking off.
Check. Sounding good, Bayou Boy.
Hey, 150, let me tell you what, man. I got kids, I got young kids, and the days just all kind of blend
With
together.
that hanging tree climber in Wisconsin, Bayou Boy down here in Louisiana, getting on down. I got about 40 on my radio. Hey, 018. And that 309 blowing smoke in Indiana. 309, Bayou Boy right back. Break up.
I heard hey 018 slow motion, but I didn't catch all what you're saying. Bayou Boy coming there with you, but I hear you slow motion.
I was just saying, there ain't no doubt there. 309 down at large and in charge with that big old studio microphone. The old radio station up here in North Texas. We rocking on.
Tune it, load it, got down.
Waving that hand also there, 44. Waving that hand, 44. Bayou Boy knocking on your door.
Appreciate the shout. Enjoy the rest of your hump day. Ain't no doubt about that. And I heard that big old Georgia station key up and say he heard me out there too, man. Appreciate the shout. North Texas, Lone Star. Got down.
Down there,
Hello, dummy loading Dallas. Hello, dummy loading Dallas. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Happy Day Wave.
24-5 around the BYU.
24-5 in the BYU. 24-5, sounding good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with the wave.
Your fault, big brother. My neighbor, 018 another channel.
Hey, 018.
You know, we don't play nice. So I don't complain. It's all good. He's down on 15, but
I heard you say hey 018, but I didn't get your numbers there, or where you're at.
so I'm listening.
I heard you say 018, I think it was somebody in Texas. 018 Tennessee Beavis with the wave.
Hey, 01403 Texas, waving.
Hey, 403, I turn my beam back to west a little bit. Might be a little better. 403, man. Hey, you have a happy day, buddy. 018 Tennessee Beavis with a wave.
Yes, sir, 018, you have a happy day as well. Hey, 018, I heard you in there, thought I'd jump there and wave that over. At you. Hey, 018, take it easy, take care, and enjoy the rest of these weeks. 403 around Texas.
Alrighty, 403, you have a good one. Tell everybody down there in your area I said hello. We're listening in, reading the mail.
Hey, 018. I don't know what you doing, but you got my radio. Hey, 018, I don't know what you doing, but you got my radio, and I'm back quiet.
Roger, slow motion. Well, you sound good up here too, right there, man. I turned a little bit west, and you got sounding better, slow motion. You sound real good up here, slow motion. 018, let you know, and I got you on the video gate.
410, Roger on that. Slow motion, things looking down here in the Big Horn. I'm in Lake Charles, so that means you dead in my back door right about now. 8018, slow motion, break.
Roger, well, I wasn't pointing on you while ago, so I was pointing on down in the bayou, slow motion, and I was pointing on south. You're sounding real good up here now on the video gate, slow motion.
410, Roger, 018, oh, slow motion.
Hey, Hitman, I didn't talk to you a while ago. Hey, Hitman in the Bayou, Mr. Hitman in BYU, 018 Tennessee Beavis with a Pappy Day wave.
Hey, Wild John, it's been a long time since I heard you, my friend. Happy Daddy Day when they roll around.
All right, Hitman, I just want to holler at you and tell you Happy Pappy Day, man, from 018 Tennessee Beavis over at Donkey Stomper with the wave. Rolling the video gate.
Hey, Beavis, so 512's hollering at you. 512's trying to say hello to you there, Beavis. I think he can make it to you. I think he's running that old four-pill donkey stumper your way.
Yeah, 747, you're starting to squeal just a little bit. Turn your mic gain down a little bit, 747. Hello, 512, 512, 018 Beavis with a Father's Day wave.
How about that Beavis 512 here, and I'm reading the mail. Break.
Roger, 512, you come up with Strawberry Patch that time, man. I got you on a video gate, Mr. 512, Texas. Sounding real good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis with a Pappy Day weekend wave.
And I ain't...
All right, I appreciate that, Beavis. I appreciate that.
Okay. In my back door. I'm on Beavis.
All right, hopefully that took care of that little squeal there. Hopefully that took care of that little squeal there, Beavis. I turned it down just a tad.
Come on.
I think you got it out of there. I got so many people keying up with you, it's hard to tell, but I think it's out of there. Might be just a little bit in there, but not much, 747.
Hey, Roger, yeah, we turned it down quite a bit there, so hopefully she's gone. Hopefully she's gone. All right there, Beavis, appreciate it. 747 Texas.
Check, Mr. 747.
There in Georgia. Sitting over here doing it like this. Hey, Georgia.
Hey, well, I tell y'all what, I've had my 10 minutes of talk time. I've had my 10 minutes of talk time. I'm going to get back over to the beach and get busy. Everybody out there in DX Lane, y'all have a good one. 018 Tennessee Beavis at Donkey Stomper saying catch you later on. Bye.
I tell you
All
what.
right there, Beavis, you take care. Take care and keep them donkey stompers rolling. 018, 747 Texas, we see ya.
Got bigger.
Checker.
Yeah, my friend, like you said, I ain't trying to cross it up. I'm just trying to get my name.
Yeah, I heard that other station out there hollering for 747. They were waving a hand to you. All right there, 469, sounding good, man. Sounding good. 469.